In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make your Apple Watch totally mute and silent. First of all, press the side button to go to your control center. In control center, scroll down and here you get this silent icon. Just turn on silent mode on your Apple Watch. And then here you get the volume. Tap on volume and decrease the volume just like this. After that, we have to disable haptic alerts too. To do that, press the crown to go to your app library. From app library, open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and just open sounds and haptic settings. In here, tap on haptics and you have to select here haptic off. And that's how you can actually mute or silent our Apple Watch completely. Thanks for watching.